Hello, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Malloy, to those of you who don't know me, and please guys do subscribe on my channel to become the member of the Munchkins family. And guys, to my OGs, I'm a Munchkins, ngithi thank you so much for your continuous support. Uri anza unitanda nyani nginifatela koptu guys. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I install this gorgeous hair, and also give you the reviews on how the hair has been treating me and where I bought it, and you know, those kind of vibe information. Please do stick around if you wanna have or go buy such hair, colored hair in Dragon City. I'll give you all the details guys, and do stick around and enjoy. This is the hair that I'm going to review. So it's the hair that I bought 3 weeks ago, and I've already worn this hair, but I haven't reviewed this hair as yet. So guys, my mirror is this side now, so I'll have to look this side for installation, so don't mind me doing that please. So yeah, this is the hair that I got from Dragon City. So the name of this hair is, it's Amy Hair. It's Amy Hair, and the name of the shop that I got it from is Fantastic Hair. It's on shop C3 in Dragon City, and yeah, they do have a WhatsApp number, which is 065 6338509. Maybe if you want to make a purchase, just to ask if they do still have this hair, then you can just WhatsApp them on 065 633 8509. So yeah, this is the hair. It's orange in color, and yeah, okay, let me just, it's a bob, and yeah, size 8 size, and then color 350. Yeah, so this is how the hair looks. This is how the hair looks, and this hair is a full frontal, and it was sewed by a machine, as you can see. So in the end, it has these strips for security, for securing your wig, and you can adjust. It's an adjustable band that you can use to according to your head size. Yeah, so this is what you use to secure your wig. And yeah man, it was when I bought it, it was already pre-plucked. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it is pre-plucked, so I think you will see that once I install this hair on my head. And yeah, you can either wear it without you installing it because of this belt. You can use this belt to adjust it not to move. And then I'm going to use this glue to install this hair. This glue is Kytelon. So yeah. for this glue to dry. I also love the quality of this hair. It's very bouncy, like it's very nice, guys. It's very nice. You can just buy yourself this wig. I love it. I love it, Kesana. And I love the color. I love Yonkinto, man. I love Yonkinto with this wig. Daytime and daytime.
Baby, I love my hair. Oh, and I love my hair. And no matter what you say, I love my hair. Let me hear you again. Stop, 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 stop. And I love my hair. Oh, baby, I love my hair. Oh, baby, I love my hair. No matter what you say, I love my hair. Let me hear you. And oh my babe, don't judge book by the cover, because you don't know what the inside. And oh my babe, please don't you judging. I love my hair. Baby, I love my hair. Oh, and I love my hair. And no matter what you say, I love my hair. Let me hear you again. Stop, 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 stop. And I love my hair. Oh, baby, I love my hair. Oh, baby, I love my hair. No matter what you say, I love my hair. Let me hear you. And oh my babe, don't judge book by the cover, because you don't know what the inside. And oh my babe, please.
Gonna let my head down, coming for that touchdown, 'cause I'm the queen and ain't nobody gonna take my crown. Try walking these heels, wanna see how that feels, 'cause I'm a hustler when I'm moving, shaking, doing deals. Get ready for the main event, there's something going down. We're turning it up again, you're gonna see us paint this town. I'm done with the 9 to 5, gonna put my makeup on. What a time to be alive, we're gonna party dusk till dawn. 'Cause I'm about to let my hair down, and I'm a fire that can't be put out. I ain't got no worries, this is my playground, and I'm about to let my hair down. So watch out! Today's gonna be the day, I can feel it in my bones. I'm dancing in the street to the beat in my headphones. Don't care
I wish I could go back and fight for a version of me who couldn't talk back. All I can do to make up for the pain is let my ponytail sway. I think I'm okay with that. There's no way to get out of it untouched. Guess that's why I turned to reinvention. Years and tears, God, it's too much.
Look at my hair. 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 Look at my hair now. Look at my hair. Come look at my hair. Come look at my hair. Look at my hair. Come look at my hair now. Look at my hair. Come look at my hair. Look at my hair now. Look at my hair. Come look at my hair. Come look at my hair. Look at my hair now. Look at my hair. Come look at my hair. 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 Look at my hair.
Don't be afraid to go buy yourselves hair from Dragon City, shop number C3, and Fantastic Hair is the name of the hair. And guys, this is a good quality hair for 1,150 rands. Like this is a good quality hair, guys. And for the fact that it comes as a wig and it comes with this color and full frontal, like everything is on point, and it's not shading, guys. Have you seen me combing this hair throughout this video? But it hasn't shaded, like it doesn't shade, because I've had this hair for 3 weeks now and it hasn't shaded a bit, guys. I don't want to lie. So yeah, I love this hair and I love how it suits me. And guys, it is so cheap and affordable, 1,150 rands. Like, you can never go wrong for a full frontal that is pre-plugged. Like guys, I didn't plug this hair, it comes like this. It was pre-plugged when I got it. So yeah, go get yourself the hair, because now it's December and we wanna slay and look gorgeous. So guys, thank you for watching this video up until this far. And if you haven't subscribed but you watched till this far, hi bo, what are you still waiting for? Please do click that subscribe button so that you can become a member of the Munchkins family. And yeah, man, I love it. I love it for me. So guys, yeah, thank you, and yeah, keep on supporting Johan, and see you on my next video. Bye.